When it comes to searching for information in live EDA, there are a few tricks of the trade to keep in mind. When searching for all documents concerning an individual or party name, best practice is to conduct searches where we can potentially find anything and everything, not just documents related to a custodian name or email messages. To get started, let's take a look at our preferences in the upper right-hand corner to double-check our settings. Here we can see that we have highlighted search terms, expanded quick search, and autosave selected. As those are exactly what we want, we will leave this as is. The first method of searching we'll try here is quick search, found in the upper right-hand corner. Let's enter the first and last name of the individual whose documents we're looking for. In this instance, Katrina Kenny. Let's also put quotes around the full name to find exact matches. Then click the magnification glass. As we can see, the number of results has narrowed significantly. Let's take a closer look at a couple of the items in the document viewer to see what type of results the search has garnered. As we can see, the first item shows Katrina Kenny as the sender of the email. The next item shows the same results. Based on that, let's try a different quick search. This time, let's enter in only the last name of the individual whose data we need to locate, and then click the magnification glass. As we can see, this search has returned more results than the prior search. By selecting an item from the document viewer, we can see that Katrina Kenny is the sender in some items and the recipient in others. So the search we just conducted expanded our findings. Now, let's go up to the search menu in the upper right in order to clear our search results. Going back up to the search menu, select Messages. Since we are searching for all documents related to Kenny, the natural thought is often to search email messages only, so let's try that and see what kind of results we get. When the dialog box opens up, select Sender Matches to locate emails from the individual in question. Note, if more information is needed regarding how to input search terms, we can always select the question mark next to the category to find out more. In the field to the right of Sender Matches, input the last name Kenny. Then click Search in the bottom right. As we can see from the number of hits generated, this search wasn't effective. The reason? We only searched for emails matching the sender Kenny. Let's try again. First, we need to clear the search. Then we can click the search menu again to start fresh. This time, select Federated, which will search all data types. In this dialog box, let's select a few different categories so as not to limit what we're searching for. First, let's select the checkbox next to Subject File Name Matches. Then select the checkbox next to Sender Owner Matches. And then select the checkbox next to Contains. In the field next to Subject File Name Matches, input the name Kenny. In the field next to Sender Owner Matches, input the name Kenny again. In the field next to Contains, input the name Kenny one last time. Note that inputting a query in 3 different fields here acts as an AND search. As we don't want to limit it to the first and last name in case the names aren't together, we're inputting the last name only in the dialog box as a catch-all. Once we're all set, click the Search button in the bottom right. As we can see, this search didn't garner all that many results. As mentioned a minute ago, the reason for this is that the federated search we just ran combined several different categories into an AND search. To fix this, let's convert this search from a federated search into an advanced search by selecting the search menu one more time. From the drop-down, select Advanced Search. Here we can see that all the terms we previously included in our federated search have been transferred into the Advanced Search window. Note, this is the easiest way to begin an advanced search. Taking a look at the operators, we see that the operator for federated collection, which covers the entire search, is all of. Let's leave that as is. The common collection operator, which connects all search terms, is also an all of operator. All of is an AND search. As we would like this search to be an OR search to find items in any of these categories, let's change this operator to any of. Now let's click the search button one more time to take a peek at our results. As we can see from the search results, making that change dramatically impacted our results, as our hits have increased significantly. Taking a peek at a few items in the document viewer, we can see that the name Kenny appears in the body of the items and in the to from. As this search garnered the hits we're looking for, let's go ahead and save it by right-clicking on the Search tab in the upper left. Here, click Rename from the right-click context menu. Thereafter, let's give our search a name and click OK. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks and workflow guidance on searching in Live EDA.